This is our Wi-Fi smart switch with RF frequency.
Its push-button design feels well with soft touching, and we have produced it with 123 gain to meet different demand.
It is featured with neutral wire required for simple installations. And its chip is thick enough for better quality and switch service life for our smart home.
Now let's begin with its complete installation for normal power on.
Wire the fire line and neutral line according to its position.
And then wire the L1, L2 and L3 for house lamp lighting.
Now the installation is done. Power on the circuit breaker. The LED indication will flash fast for fast device pair. Open your smart app and the device will be discovered automatically. Add the device under 2.4G Wi-Fi only. Until now the smart switch has been added into the smart app successfully. You can now control your 3 different lights manually or via app. More importantly, it is functional with all on and all off button in-app for easier access to your house lighting. We have also designed the switch with multi-control association, explained as associating to other smart switch to control one light together. As you can see, now the glass panel switch can control your push-button switch after being associated. This Wi-Fi smart switch is also with built-in RF frequency. Now we will take our new scene switch, which is also a RF switch as an example for RF pairing.
Long press the smart switch button until you hear DD for successful pairing.
And they are just featured with complete same front cover plate for visual enjoyment. Add schedule for each switch button to preset your lighting time. On/off your house lights in a much flexible controlling way.
Alexa, turn on switch 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on switch 2 and switch 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all the switch.
Okay.
Get the smart switch and our smart scene switch as a kit for good beginning to your smart home lighting.